So, student, good morning to everyone. Class 6, subject math, chapter 5, fractions. I already taught the earlier topic. Now, today our topic is conversions of unlike fractions into like fraction. And like fractions I already also explained. But now I want to explain once again. What is like fraction, student? Can you see? Like fractions means a fractions having the same denominator. And unlike fractions means a fractions having different denominator. So keep it in mind. Okay, on the basis of this one, how you have to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. So let us see example. So convert 3 upon 8, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 12 into the like fraction. Can you say this is the like or unlike? Maybe your answer will be unlike fraction because denominator are different. Here 8, 6 and 12 are denominator. So now I am reading the steps. According to step we have to solve this question. Now first of all we find the LCM of all the denominators of the given fraction. Here all the denominator means 8, 6 and 12. Okay student. So LCM of 8, 6 and 12 is equal to 24. You will find the LCM and you will get this answer. Step 2. Now we convert each of the given fraction into like fractions with 24 as the denominator, because you got the denominator 24. This is the common for each. So by the finding the LCM. So now we have. So our question first is 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 we can write like this. And here 8 is denominator. By what number you have to multiply, you get the 3 in the denominator. So, sorry, 8 here, 3 upon 8. So, what number you have to multiply upon in 8 will be get the 24. So, we have to multiply numerator by 3. Okay. So, 8 3 are 24, 3 3 are 9. Similarly, 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6 means 6 is denominator. So, by what number you have to multiply in the 6, you will be get 24. So, your answer will be maybe 4. Because 6 4 are 24. So 4 here, 4 here. So 5 4 are 20 and 6 4 are 24. Now similarly we can say that 7 upon 12. 7 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. By what number you have to multiply in numerator? I mean in the 12 you will be get 24. So your answer will be maybe 2. So because 12 2 are 24 and 7 2 are 14. Now by finding like this, we will be write like this. 9 upon 24, because 9 upon 24, 20 upon 24 and 14 upon 24. Now you see student, here 24, 24, 24, this is the common for each fraction. This is the denominator. So this is called like fraction. And this will be used at the time of ascending order also, or by comparing also, and by the additions and subtractions also of the fraction. So this is the most important topic for you, and you already studied in the class 5th. Now next topic is comparisons of fractions, how you have to compare. Okay, so first of all I am reading this topic and then I will explain. So comparing alike fractions with the same numerator. Yes, this is because sometimes student here confused if the numerator are same, which fraction are greater or smaller. To compare unlike fraction means fractions with the different denominator. I already explained what is the unlike fraction. So having the same numerator, compare their denominators. Okay, the fractions with the smaller denominator has a larger value. This is the most important line. So the fractions with the smaller denominator has a larger value. I mean you can say that here student, because in the Hindi जो छोटा होगा वो बड़ा होगा और जो बड़ा होगा वो छोटा होगा. Now let's see by example. So here see 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 11. You have to compare. Numerator are same. So here numerator are same means, so now you see the denominator. Here 7 and 11. In the 7 and 11, which one is greater? 11. 11 is greater. It means according to this, smaller denominator has a larger value. And what is the 7 is smaller than 11, so it will be larger, and you can put like this. Okay, so in this way we can put. Similarly here student, 8 and 8 are numerator. In the case of numerator are same, So in the denominator you can see that 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 here. 3 is smaller. According to this one, 3 is smaller denominator has a larger value because 3 and 5. So we can put this way. So in this way we can compare so many taking by fraction and example. Okay. So if the numerator are same, you have to compare like this. So now next topic is comparing unlike fractions with the different numerator. Earlier was same numerator, but here is different method of cross multiplication. First method. So you already study also in the class 5th, okay? But now I want to teach you once again because you have to keep it in mind. For example, compare the fraction 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6, okay? So how you have to compare which one is greater and which one is smaller? Can you say, student, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6, this is like or unlike fraction? So your answer will be maybe, sir, this is unlike fraction because here 4 and 6 denominators are different. So by cross multiplication we get, so like this, 3 into 6. So 3 into 6 means like this, 18. 4 into 5 means what? 20. And if you will be compare like this also, this is the very most useful formula like this. So you have to keep it in mind. So you can write like this and then arrow sign and then arrow sign. So 4, 5 are 20. You write here 20 also above for your knowledge, and 6 into 3, 18 also. Okay, student. So now after comparing here 18 and 20, so which one is greater? 20 is greater. It means 5 upon 6 is greater. So since now see here 18 and 20. So 18 and 20, 20 is greater. So we can write here 3 upon 4 less than 5 upon 6. On the basis of this one, you can compare by taking more example. Okay, student. Now method B. So B, method of converting fractions into the like fraction. Now step, I am reading the step first of all and then I will explain. First of all, we have to find the LCM of the denominators of the fraction to be compared. Okay, I already explained, student, according to into like fraction. Step 2, convert unlike fractions into like fraction by making the LCM found in the step 1 as their common denominator. Just now, before this, I already explained how you have to do. Step 3, compare the numerators of the like fraction. After making the like fractions, we have to compare here numerator. Okay. So now 4, the fraction with the greater number, numerator sorry, has a greater value. Now let's see by example. Compare 3 by 5 and 1 by 4. Okay, student. So solution, LCM of 5 and 4. 5 and 4 are denominator, so 20. Similarly 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 means multiply by 4 and 4. You will get 12 upon 20. 1 by 4, 1 by 5 means 5 and 5. Here you will multiply by 5 and 5. You will get 5 upon 20. Okay. After this you have to write, now see here numerator. What is numerator here? Because denominator becomes same, 20 and 20. So 12 and 5. So in the 12 and 5, which one is greater, student? Maybe your answer will be 12, sir. So you write here 12 greater than 5 like this. 12 upon 20 greater than 5 upon 20. But your main question is this one. So 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. 4, sorry. So 3 by 5 came from this one, 12 upon 20. So 3 upon 5 upon right hand. And 1 upon 4 each coming like this, 5 upon 20. So 5 upon 20 is 1 upon. In this way we have to compare. Okay, student. I hope you have to understood my lecture.